my gas Mustang, my Hangar 9 P51. Yep. Just trying to burn out the fuel in it so I can put it away. Hey Corny, stand next to it real fast. I want to get a comparison of how big it is. Just stand next to it for a second. I'm recording this. Corny. Here, just stand next to it. Crouch down next to it. See, it's pretty good size. Let's tear up some paper towels. Mwah! Ah! Let's give it some gas. Where'd the paper towel roll go? I hate a paper towel.